still don't trust what the headlines say. That's okay. We think that they want us to be laid in a grave. We do our best, we pray and we pray for a change. We put the us in the USA every day. We put the us in the USA. We're the diesel trucks on the interstate. Flags in our yards where our children played. Stars and stripes and rattlesnakes. And it's me and it's you and it's red, white and blue, with American dreams and taxes. We want World War II, we put man on the moon. Well, depending on who you asking. We put the us in the USA. We put the